I'm an account executive. The Deal Watcher flow I built in Workspace Studio just caught a high-priority inbound lead, built a profile in our CRM, and let me know I should take a closer look. That's hours of manual effort gone.
Instead of switching apps to start working, the work comes to me in chat. I simply start a conversation with Ask Gemini, like I would any other contact, and ask it to generate a proposal. I answer some follow-up questions so Gemini has the info it needs to start working in the background. And soon, it's created a fully branded, product-accurate pitch in slides. This is great, but what if I wanted to set this up for my team so they can make great proposals too? Now I can do that with skills in Workspace. Here in Docs, where everyone is already working, I prompt Gemini to build a company skill based on my best practices. Gemini finds all of this context for me and constructs it directly into a doc. And I can invite my team to collaborate on refining it. Then I can publish with one click using Workspace Studio, and it's instantly available to use anywhere you use Gemini in Workspace. Now anyone on my team can ask Gemini to generate a proposal using the perfect pitch skill. And there are many additional skill templates available out of the box in Workspace Studio.